What if the gap between you and financial freedom wasn't a degree, a lucky break, or even a business idea? What if it was 8 habits? Habits so small, most people scroll right past them. I went from zero online income to over $12,000 a month, not because I worked harder than everyone else, because I did a few things differently, consistently, every single day. And today, I'm breaking all 8 of them down. The exact habits, the exact logic, and the exact tools I use. Stay until habit number 5. That one changed everything. Here's what I want you to understand before we get into this. I'm not going to tell you to wake up at 4 a.m. or do a 75-day challenge. That's not what this is. This is about high-leverage micro-behaviors, actions that take under 30 minutes a day but compound into real measurable income over time. Let me give you a quick math example. A YouTube channel in the finance or AI niche earns between $8 and $22 per thousand views in ad revenue. That's called RPM. Get to 100,000 monthly views, and you're looking at $800 to $2,200 every month just from ads. Add digital products, affiliate links, or sponsorships, and that number multiplies fast. The habits I'm about to share, they're what got me to those numbers, and they're replicable. Here's what nobody tells you about the current moment we're in. The creator economy isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. AI tools have slashed the time it takes to produce content by 80%. Distribution platforms like YouTube and TikTok are actively pushing new creators to compete with legacy accounts. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. The people winning right now aren't the most talented, they're the most consistent. And consistency isn't a personality type, it's a habit stack. That's exactly what we're building today. Habit 1. The daily idea log. Every morning, spend 5 minutes writing down 3 content ideas. Don't judge them, just write. Over 30 days, you'll have 90 ideas. Inside those 90 ideas, there are at least 10 that could get 100,000 views. The creators who go viral don't get lucky. They generate enough volume to find what works. Habit 2. The one platform rule. Pick one platform. Go deep. Most beginners spread thin across 5 platforms and master none. YouTube or TikTok. Choose one for 90 days. Habit 3. Study one top creator per week. Not to copy, to reverse engineer. What's the hook structure? What's the pacing? What does the thumbnail promise? This is a free masterclass. Use it. Habit 4. The 20-minute script sprint. Before you film anything, spend 20 minutes structuring your script. Hook, proof, value, CTA. That's the framework. Most creators wing it. That's why most creators plateau. Habit 5. Automate the ugly work. This is the one I mentioned. Use AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT for outlines, descriptions, and title variations. Use CapCut or Opus Clip for short-form repurposing. Use Canva for thumbnails. Your job is strategy and delivery. Let the tools handle production. Most people miss this. They spend 6 hours on editing when they should spend 6 hours on the next video. Habit 6. Post on a schedule, not a mood. Emotion-based posting is the fastest way to kill growth. Pick 2 or 3 days per week and lock them in. Platforms reward consistency with distribution. Habit 7. Track one metric weekly. Click-through rate on YouTube, watch time, follower growth. One metric, not 10, 1. Clarity compounds. Habit 8. Reinvest before you celebrate. When the first dollar comes in, don't spend it. Buy a better mic, a Notion template, a course, a tool that saves you time. Reinvestment is the habit that separates people who stay small from people who scale. Let's talk money, because the barrier here is lower than you think. Phone camera? Already own it. Free. CapCut for editing? Free. Claude or ChatGPT for scripting? $20 a month. Canva Pro for thumbnails? $13 a month. Total startup cost, $33 a month. That's less than a dinner out, and it's enough to build a channel that eventually earns while you sleep. Here's the simple version of how the money works. YouTube pays you through the partner program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's your ad revenue base. Then you layer on affiliate marketing, where you recommend tools and earn 20 to 50% commissions. Then digital products, templates, guides, mini courses, where you keep 100% of the sale. 3 income streams, 1 channel, 1 habit stack. The number one thing I hear is, I won't get monetized fast enough. Here's the truth. Monetization is not the goal in the first 90 days. Momentum is. Because the channels that focus on monetization first cut corners on content, and the algorithm punishes that. Build the audience first. The trust follows the revenue. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Some of the fastest growing creators in the AI and business niche right now aren't making money from ads at all. They're building an email list from day one. That list becomes their most valuable asset, independent of any platform algorithm. If you want to stand out in 2025, stop trying to cover everything. Niche down hard. Make money with AI for beginners beats make money online every time. Specific beats broad, and consistent beats perfect. Most people miss this. The channel that wins isn't the most polished, it's the one that makes the viewer feel understood. If your viewer watches your video and thinks, this person is talking directly to me, you've already won. Here's your next step. Pick 1 habit from this list, just one, and do it every day for the next 14 days. Don't try to implement all 8 at once. That's the mistake. And if you want to know exactly which AI tools I use to build content faster, the specific workflow, the exact prompts, the full stack, that video is right here. The habits are simple. The consistency is where most people quit. Don't be most people.